First of all, here's my bag. A little close. It says Elkton Elks because I go to high school in Elkton. I'm a senior this year. The point of this speech is to choose your bag, obviously, and 3 objects. One of them to represent your past, one your present, and one your future. My first object I have is my first set of car keys. They represent my past because all growing up, I couldn't wait to be able to drive. The big kids could drive, and I wanted to be just like them. Anyway, like your past, driving can have its ups and downs. I'm going to tell you a little story about my first car. I was so proud of it. It was a white Grand Am, and I probably washed it once a week just because I finally could drive. And one day I was on my way home from Elkton, and it was raining really hard. And me, not thinking, typical teenager, kept going regular speed and didn't even think about the risks. I was driving around a curve which had railroad tracks going right through the middle of it, and I started hydroplaning off the road. I hit those straight railroad tracks, end-over-ended my car, and yeah, my car is no longer. So anyway, you learn from your mistakes, and I still drive. It's all okay, and that brings me to my present. The object I chose for my present is a picture from prom. That's my class. I chose this for my present because right now that's one of the most important things to me because it's my senior year and I want to make a lot of memories with my friends. Okay, so the object I chose for my future is a puzzle because, like a puzzle, I need to put the pieces together, and I haven't really started, but eventually I'll figure out, well, where I want to go and what I want to do. So yeah, that was my brown bag speech. And here's my audience. Oh shoot. Hey, Mr. Looney. Okay.